All right, it's finally happening. Today's the day I finally tackle that roof. On my RV, that is. It's one of those jobs I just keep pushing back. With the weather, though, we had this weekend, Memorial Day weekend. It's actually kind of nice out. It rained a little bit this morning. It's drying up nicely, and the sun's going to be out a little bit later, so it'll be a great time to get up there, clean the roof, and inspect it. Hopefully with that rain this morning, any of the loose stuff or with the wind, anything's blown off, make my job a little bit easier. But trust me, my roof needs some love. It needs to be cleaned. I think the last time I really looked at it was about fall of last season. And even then I noticed that there was some issues up there. It's just been too long. You get all kinds of junk up there, all kinds of leaves, sap, twigs, and just general dust and grime. And when you let it all sit, it all just bakes in up there. Those 100-degree days, yeah, it gets pretty warm. Hey, listen. Just to be clear, I'm not telling you how to clean your roof. I'm not an RV tech or anything. I'm just showing you how I go about it. Think of it as a bit of a documentary. If something doesn't work for you, cool, skip it, watch another video, it's okay. Again, I'm documenting this more for myself and for anyone else that's curious on how people handle this stuff. So another reason I like to start with a good cleaning is that you can actually see, once you get all that dirt and grime off, what you're actually looking at, what needs to be fixed. You clean it, you can actually inspect it. It's like detailing a car. Once you clean it, polish it up, you start to notice all those little dents and scratches. Same thing with the roof. You get down there, scrub those seals, look at that caulking, inspect everything. You can really get a sense of what's going on with your roof. So it's about 60, 65 degrees right now. And to be honest with you, it's starting to mist and rain again. So may have to postpone this for a little bit longer. With the exception of the rain, it's actually perfect weather. So I'm gonna wait till it stops raining, mostly because going up and down the ladder is gonna get a little sketchy. I'll go get something else to drink, carbonated water probably, and we'll ease back into it in a few minutes. So step one is really about just easing into it. You gotta commit to it first. Sometimes with something that looks like a bigger project, you just gotta chip away at the edges. Just kind of get it started. Figure out what the first piece, the first bit, setting up the ladder, getting up there, looking around. The water hose isn't even hooked up yet. Again, chip away at the edges and you can tackle a big project like this. So next up, I'll show you what gear I'm using and how I prep before I start climbing up that ladder over there. I'm just showing you how I go about it. And if I hit the mic again, maybe that'll happen.